get to the bottom of this. Gotta fix this bill. Come on, answer the phone.
Thank you for calling Ashtray Mouth Gag Me. How may I direct your call?
Hello, yes,
Hold, please.
What? Really?
Thank you for holding. And thank
You're
you
welcome.
again for calling Ashtray Mouth and Gag Me. How may I direct your call?
Yes, this is,
Hold, please.
Really? Are you kidding me?
Hello, Mr. Renfro.
This...
Is this in reference to the number 819-554-2179-876653?
No, and this
Hold,
is not... What on earth is going on here?
Mr. Renfro,
This
I'm going
is...
to have to transfer
Excuse me.
your call to the
Really?
corporate office
Excuse me.
in the customer service department
This is
up
not
there.
Mr. Renfro.
Hold, please.
Oh, my fucking Lord.
Thank you for calling Ashtray Mouth Gag Me. How may I direct your call?
Yes, I'm trying
Mr.
to...
Renfro, it's so nice to hear from you.
Oh, my...
Hold, please.
You have got to be kidding me.